What is up, everyone? It has been quite a while, but I'm finally back. I finally got a job, so I can finally afford to start buying more trains and get the layout going again. So what we have here today is quite special. It is a Peckett, one of the brand new Hornby Pecketts, which came out last year, and in the last little while it's been very hard to actually find these. I've been looking around in quite a few places, and it's quite rare to find a Peckett. But then I was actually on eBay, and there was a seller who had quite a few of these Pecketts, and I was like, I want one, and this is the best time to get one. So that is what I did. So having a closer look at the box, this is the Hornby R3694 Peckett B2 Blue Circle Westminster, and it is a gorgeous little loco, so I want to get this opened as soon as possible. This arrived in the mail 2 days ago, and when it did, I opened it up very quickly and I put it on the tracks to make sure it works, and then I ran it in, and then after that I put it straight back in the box. So this will be the first time I'm looking at the locomotive up close, and it's the first time I can actually really see what I'm getting. So I'm very excited and I want to open it. So let's do it. Let's open up this bad boy. Let's see what we get. Here we go. And there is the famous glass cube with our locomotive in it. Let's get this out. Alright, so the first thing you will notice in the box, as per usual, you get a lovely Peckett B2 little instruction manual. Yeah, nothing too crazy there. It's a pretty usual little locomotive. There we need a 6-pin, is that? Yeah, I think that's a 6-pin decoder. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna open up this damn cube. I'm excited. I wanted to stare at it all day yesterday, but I had to keep it in the box. I had to keep it a little bit of a surprise. So let's go. Let's have a look at this thing. And there we go. There we go. There she is. I will slowly lever her out. And my goodness, the first thing you realize with these things is that they are very small, but you can instantly tell how heavy it is. I pick it up and it's got a lot of weight. So yeah, the running board here is die-cast metal, and I believe the saddle tanks are die-cast metal too. So it's a heavy little loco, so it should have some good traction, and it's so gorgeous. What a little loco. I'm gonna put it down and give you some close-up shots of it, but at the moment I'm just in awe of how just gorgeous this little thing is. Alright guys, the Peckett is now on the tracks, and I'll try and give you some nice close-up shots of all the different cool details and all the little different parts, because there are a lot of different cool details on this. So let's get into this. Okay guys, it is the time we've all been waiting for. Let's finally get this thing running. So it currently is a DC locomotive, so it won't be as smooth as if it was DCC, but sometime in the future it will be DCC, so do not worry. But just keep that in mind when you see it at its slow crawl, because it will struggle a bit more, but let's do it. Let's give it some juice. Oh, there it goes, there it goes. It's actually very smooth for a DC locomotive. Can we go any slower? Okay, it stops there. But look at that. Look at her go. I can't stop looking at all the fine little details. Oh, just look at it move. Alright, let's send it on a lap around and let's see how it goes. Here she comes. There we go. All linked up. Let's see how this goes. She is very noisy with those, but that is very understandable. It's a lot of wagons and a lot of joints and ballast to go over. But look at her go. I really like the livery too. I wasn't quite sure how much I liked this livery when I bought it, to be fair. I was quite a big fan of the Sherwood livery, but they didn't have any of that available, so I went for this instead, and I'm really starting to love this. Like the color of the wheels as well, it all just looks amazing, and with those wagons, she looks amazing. Such a cute little shunter, and she will go perfectly with my Terrier once they both get turned to DCC, and then they will be running together so often. I cannot wait. Anyways guys, that has been it for this little unboxing. I hope you have enjoyed watching me unbox the brand new Hornby Peckett. It has been such a fun little time, and it's also fun to be able to upload on this channel again. I haven't had a job for most of this year, so it's been hard to afford new locomotives and afford different things for the layout, but I have a new job, so I can start, spending a little bit of money on this. So I will be uploading a lot more in the future, so I'm extremely excited for that. If you have enjoyed this, leave a thumbs up guys, and I'll be seeing you very soon.